welcome to Classic Susan. It is my November Boxy Charm unboxing. I know it's December, I know. I just got a little bit busy with the holidays, my kids coming home, and I just wanted to spend some time with them. So let me go ahead and get into the box. Let's see. November, it was Stellar, okay? And in my box, I got these beautiful brushes. I haven't even opened them yet. I've been that busy. They're kind of like the, I don't know. They're very dense. They're like the, oh God, what are those? Artistry. Oh, I knew it would come to me. The Artistry brushes. They're really cute. The handles, a little bit to be desired, but they feel very dense and very thick, and I'm sure they'll do a great job with putting on foundation and contour. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. And for those of you that don't know, BoxyCharm is $25 a month subscription. Those brushes run, oh, let's see, $35. Alrighty then. Okay, we're not even going to go into that. Okay, next in the box I have, ooh, morning and night googly eye masks. This is a $12 mask set. Yeah, I like eye masks, especially for getting ready for events. It just really helps. So this is nice. This is awesome. Okay. The next thing I have is, ooh, the lippy you see on right now. I know I cheated, but I didn't have any lipstick down here, and I didn't want to run back upstairs during filming. Sure. We have Dose of Colors, and this color is called Flirty. It's very, very pink and natural. It looks good. I don't know. I think it makes my teeth look yellow, but we'll see. You know, I really like darker colored makeup on my lips. Another thing, which I had a choice, and I chose the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I do know that I've really got Juice Beauty's other moisturizer, and I really liked it. So I think that this one will do a great job, and this retails for $50. And the best thing is this beautiful Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder. This has some very beautiful colors in it. However, do you see what happened to my pink here? This looks like, I don't know. Looks like somebody swatched it. Okay. I do like these colors. Let me go ahead and pull my sleeve up so I can do some beauty swatches for you. Here's my arm. First off, we are going to touch the top row, and that is Eternal Night, Fireball, oh, this Black Matter one, and of course, Zero Gravity. So, I really wasn't thinking this through, so here we go. We have Eternal Light. Oh, that's really pretty. We have Fireball. Ooh. We have Dark Matter, which I think I'm gonna like a lot. It has a very nice shift to it. And of course, Zero Gravity. They're very much glittery, shimmery. Let's give ourselves a little bit of depth on the corners. There. They're very, very metallic-y. They look great. So let's go into the bottom row, and this is Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. Mystic Ice. Oh, okay, a little patchy. But it's just a swatch. Lunar Eclipse. And I only did one quick swipe. And this is Storm Dust. And this is Lucid Dream. And there is the palette. Yeah, I can't wait to try this on. I will definitely do a try on with this and let you know how it goes. Let me do a real quick calculation. Great, I'm getting eyeshadow all over everything. So, like I said, this is a $25 a month. You get 5 products. That basically means they're $5 a piece. We got the Celestial palette, which was $35. Juice Beauty was $50. The Dose of Colors was $18. The Vitamasks were $12. And the brushes were $35. For a grand total of $150. That's a pretty good deal there. What do I love in the palette? Oh, okay. I really think that I'm probably going to get the most use out of Zero Gravity, Eternal Light, Dark Matter, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and I've been doing a lot of the like accent eyeshadow under the eyes as a liner, and I really, really am enjoying that. So, don't mean to blind you. But anyway, that's the box for the month of November. If you wish to subscribe to BoxyCharm, go ahead and use the link below. I will definitely have a try-on video, and thank you so much. You have a great, great, great day. And remember this, you are loved. Bye.